So the third installment of this review for the 30-week is potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy due to position, and kinetic energy is energy due to motion. Both of these are types of mechanical energy. Potential energy is energy due to position. So the complicated word in this is position. So if you have an object that is high in the air, it has potential energy. This is because of gravity. Gravity will pull that object towards the earth. Now, the higher your object is, the greater gravity is going to affect it. So gravity is what pulls things towards the earth. So we say that potential energy is the energy due to position. So the higher an object's position above the earth, the greater the potential energy. The kinetic energy is energy due to motion. So if you get hit by a softball that was thrown at you by one of your friends, the reason your shoulder hurts is because of kinetic energy. What causes potential energy? So as we said, gravity causes potential energy. So here's somebody on the top of a cliff. If they wanted to get affected by gravity, they would take away the cliff and they would fall straight down towards the center of the earth. So the higher you are, the more potential energy you have. So let's compare a man on a table and a man on a cliff. The man on the cliff has more potential energy because he is higher off the ground. Now, if he fell off the ground, of course, the man on the cliff will be mangled, and where if somebody simply fell off of a table, they might get a bruise. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. If it is in motion, it has kinetic energy. Now here's somebody kicking a soccer ball. So at this time, you should stop what you're doing and open R2 quiz on KE/PE.